Yeah, Garden by the Bay South. Wow. Dito pala yung, dito guys, yung maglaro ka ng kite, yung barrage na tinatawag nila, Marina Barrage, Barrage. Ayun o, naglalaro sila ng kite.
Eh, pero sa taas daw, pwede daw makakain doon.
Sure. Ano yan, bitawag, be? Wow, give me my sunglasses. Be, kunon mo ako ng video, tatakbo-takbo ako.
Si Rubel, can you take video for
Take video for us, the slow-mo. Then we are going to run. Robert, slow-mo please.